Hi, welcome for the Nifty weekend analysis and swing trading stocks for the coming week. So the last week Nifty is not able to sustain in the 18,000 level. Once again it has broken that 18,000 support level, and now it is Nifty is looking bearish to is trading in the bearish to sideways trend. So that is for the Nifty. And for the global events on coming week on 12th, the inflation rate is going to get released for China, US and India as well. So these are the global events for the coming week. So on it is releasing on 12th, so it may have impact on the next day. So let us see the detailed analysis for the swing trading stocks in the coming video. Well, we can start with Nifty. Nifty once again is not able to withstand the support level of 18,000. It has closed below the 18,000 last week. So until there is a strong candle crossing this trend line, we cannot able to see the uptrend in the Nifty in the coming weeks. So Nifty is looking, the view is bearish to sideways view for the coming week until we are seeing the strong closing candle crossing this trend line. So this is for the Nifty for the coming week. So the next is India VIX. India VIX is now around 15. It is in the sideways trend. So nothing much on India VIX. So swing trading stocks for the coming week. Last week I recommended for the stock ICICI General Insurance. So it has come out from this consolidation area. Now it is closed above this trend line also. So as I recommended the last, if you have already taken this trade, you can keep your first target, expect the first target around 1370. So the next stock for the swing trading is Indigo. Indigo, again it has taken the retracement and it has given a bounce back. So last week itself we have seen this bounce back. If you are holding this trade, so keep holding for the first target of around 2300. Hindalco, after a breakout from this trend line, it has again given a pullback towards this value area. So next week if you are going to see a U-turn, you can re-enter, you can consider this for the re-entry if you have missed this stock last week. The target for Hindalco is around, first target is around 505. So last week we have recommended 2 weeks, I think 2 weeks before in the weekend analysis, BPCL. BPCL has turned out very well and it is very close to touch the first target of around 350 levels. So if you are already holding this stock, you can book your first target of around 350 for the first half of the quantity, and remaining half you can trail for the next second target of around 370 levels. Sun Pharma, again we have recommended for last 2 weeks before. It is respecting this trend line. You can see it is respecting here, here, and prices again respecting this trend line once again. So you can expect the first target of around 1060 levels for Sun Pharma. So the next stock for shorting, this is for shorting. Last week we recommended the burger paints. Burger paints, you can see after this head and shoulder pattern, and clearly it has again rejected this neckline also. So we can expect around the next target of around 525 levels for the coming week. The next stock for shorting is Biocon. Biocon I keep recommending more than around 3 to 4 weeks from this level. So the target, first target is already achieved. You can keep holding for the next target of around 250. TCS, again I recommended 2 weeks back. So TCS is looking bearish and it is closed below this value area very strongly. So we can expect the first target of around 3100 and the next target of around 3000 for the coming weeks. Give a like for this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting the regular updates like this. If you have any specific doubts regarding the swing trading stock selection and swing trading strategies, type your comments in the comment box. I'll be replying quickly for your questions. So, and also I have given my WhatsApp number. You can contact me in my WhatsApp number for your doubts regarding the swing trading strategies and swing trading stock selections.